Hello guys, welcome to the second part of this video and, of this serial of making Instagram bot, and we are going to continue our journey of making Instagram bot. First, I just find and created .env file. I will delete this one that I showed you because it doesn't contain password and username. That is my real password and username, and I will just paste that real.env file here to make sure we have the right credentials to log in to Instagram. Okay, next step is to declare some options as well. First is max follows per hour, and we want to make sure that it isn't so much, and it respects like Instagram guidelines, and it is like 20 is enough for an hour. That means every 3 minutes this bot will follow another user and like him photos posts. Next thing we need to declare is max follows per day, and also that restriction is very important. I will put like 150. You can speed up your bot if you want, but it is totally enough for my intentions. Okay, next is max likes per day. Okay, and I will set it to 200. Okay. Next is follow user ratio minimum. It is 0.8. That is ratio of followers divided by following. We don't want account that we're going to follow has a lot more following than followers. Next, we need to be sure that in the opposite way declare, and that is follow user ratio maximum, and we want to make sure that it is 5.0, because we don't want to follow accounts that have a lot more following than followers, because they will not follow us back, and that is important. Okay, next we need to set don't unfollow until time elapsed, and we need to set that 3 days multiplied by 24 hours, multiplied by 60 minutes, multiplied by 60 seconds, multiplied by 1000 milliseconds, and that's all. We don't want to make sure that our bot don't unfollow accounts that he just followed until time of a period of 3 days passed. Next, we need to exclude users, and it is an empty object. And also we want to declare dry run, and we want to make sure that it is set to false. Why false? Because if dry run is true, our bot will just going through Instagram accounts, but it won't take any action. It won't like, it won't follow, and it need to be true only if you want to see how it works. But for now it will be false. Next, we need to declare async function. If you know what is async function, make sure to read some JavaScript documentation. Async function, that will be an arrow function. It is ES6 feature. Okay, and we want to declare variable let browser to we want to declare variable browser, and we want to make a try catch block. First, we want to launch our browser, and we will do that by typing next browser equal await puppeteer dot launch. We want to launch our browser using Puppeteer. The Puppeteer is meant for that. That is JavaScript library for, and we want headless to false. What that mean? When headless is toggled to true, it will. When headless is toggled to true, it will just it won't show us, it won't open browser in front of our eyes. It will be like secretly, it will do in the background, but we can see that, and we want to see, because, and that is a reason why we are doing this. Okay. Next thing we need to declare is wait a second, is const auto db. We want to declare database that we are going to use. Await auto dot JSON db. We want to use JSON db to create JSON db. Okay. And how to create that? We are going to have 3 databases. First is followed, for a followed accounts, followed db path, and it will be we want to be stored in our folder database slash followed.json. It will be in JSON format. Next, we need to we're going to make unfollowed db path, and it will be stored in database unfollow.json. And the last one is liked photos db path, and it will be also in our directory database, and a file will be named liked photos.json. Okay. Okay. What we are next? Next we are going to. It will be automatically be a lot better when we type catch after. This is a try and catch block, and we are making. We're going to use that technology. Okay. Next, we want to declare const instauto equal to await instauto, and we want to pass instauto db to pass instauto db browser options, and this is a start form for our code. Okay, then we need to declare is unfollowed count. We want to count our unfold, and it will be await instauto unfollow old followed. Okay, and it will and time we want to pass is like here it will be 3 days, and we're going to write just age in days, and it will be set to 3, and limit options dot max follows per day, multiplied by 2 divided by 3. Okay, and then we are going to use if statement. If that is place where action begin. If unfollow unfollowed count, if unfollowed count is greater than 0, we want to await instauto dot sleep for 10 minutes. 10 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 1000 milliseconds. Then we need to declare const user to follow followers off, and we want to follow. Here we need to pass username to user we want to follow his follows, and I'm going to Instagram to find out which user I want to follow users of, and I'm going to search, and I can find photo by CS. Okay, they're having 28,000 followers, 28,000 followers, and they have pretty nice images, and I want to follow their followers because they are relevant for this topic, because I have account that is for photography. As you can see, I'm posting photography. You can follow me. My username is photos there if you want, and I'm going to pass this username here, and now bot know for which user he is going to search for. Next, we are going to await instauto dot follow user followers, and this is a main part of our program, and we are going to pass some information. First is users to follow followers of. Next, here is users. Okay, that is a misspell. Okay, if you're not sure, just copy this here and call it here. Okay. Next, we passed just a username of an account that we want to follow followers of. Also, you can write more accounts. For example, if you want next photography hello, it seems nice. They have only 94 followers, and I'm going to pass not this. I need to pass their username. Okay, here is username of this Instagram page, and I want to follow followers of these two users. Okay, next we need to pass max follows total, and it will be when we subtract option options dot max follows per day minus unfollowed count. Skip. Next, we want to declare that we want to skip private accounts. So just type skip private. Just type skip private and make sure it is toggled to true. Then we want to enable like images. We want to set that to true, and we want to set like images max set to, for example, 3, and we can also set like images min, and it can be if you want to be always the same number. If is only 3 maximum, it will follow 1, 2, or 3 posts of that user, and if we have max and min value the same, it will always like the same amount of images, and we're going to set that to 2. It's better. 3 is a lot. Okay, and that's all the configuration here, and we want to make sure to await Instauto and to sleep for 10 minutes after that. 10 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 1000. Okay, then we want to console log that. That is a shortcut, so CLG, just like that, and it will type for you console log done running. And we want to make sure that we have in console everything. Okay. Next, we want to next, what we need to do is also to sleep, await Instauto, and to sleep for 30,000. Okay, and we finished our try block. We want to make sure to catch some errors, and we are going to use Instauto. I don't know. We are going to pass error argument. Okay, and we want to console log that error. CLG. Just type CLG, and it will open your console log, and we want to console log that error, whatever it is. And finally, we are going to console log that we are closing browser. We are closing browser, and if browser awaits browser dot close, to call that close function. And we forgot, we want to call it here once more, and that's the whole code. As you can see, what we've done, we declare that is that code will be executed in a strict mode. We imported some libraries. We set an options for cookies database, if it is dry run or not, and some important measures, and also that is like a filters for an account. Here is a filter for an account. Days we want to wait until we unfollow followed account. We pass some credentials here using .env file. Also, we made async function where we firstly launched our browser. We said to our bot that we want him to launch Chrome and to be in headless mode, so it will work. And then we want for our bot to create those databases as he is doing. Then after that, we declared we want to be 3 days as here, unfollowed count, and also and our unfollowed count must be max follows per day multiplied by 2/3. And after that, we passed some username of our opponent Instagram accounts. In my case, it is like photography accounts. You can pass one or more, whatever you want. And after that, we make main part, and this is that Instauto follow user followers. Follow user follow users. That there are misspelling. You just need to make sure. It won't work if we misspell something, because if you look here in that Instauto file, you can find all the variables we've used here, max follows per day, and we want to make sure we write them all. They are here. We want to make sure we write all those variables as we need to do. Then we said just sleep for 10 minutes. After that, sleep for this time. And if you can't execute this try block, then go to catch block and catch some error and console log for us, because we want to see what is an error. And then finally, we are going to close browser and calling that close browser function. Okay, so we need to check max follows per hour, max follows per day, max likes per day, follow user ratio min, max, don't unfollow until time elapsed. Okay, follow db path, unfollowed db path, liked photos db path, Instauto, unfollowed count. Okay, users to follow followers off, users to follow followers off. Okay, that's clear. And I think everything is going to work properly. How to run this? I need to first close Node modules. Okay, and how to run this? Just type node index, and Node will start your index file. And as you can see, he is going to log in to my account, and look here, he's going to create a database folder. As you can see, also in the terminal, you can see how it is working. And Instauto is all around a great library to use for this purpose. It is only meant for this. Also, you can set comments and other stuff. And he said that he did not find those databases. And as you can see, he will create those databases here. He will create a folder called database. And currently he is analyzing my Instagram account so he can work properly. But I have some problem with the internet. Okay, he is working. I have unstable internet connection. That is a little bit problem, but you will see it will work fine for you. He's going to that photo by CS, and here going to filter some accounts to see if he can follow something. Okay, he is already following this account. I'm already following this account, and he will store here. I'm not sure why he's not making database, but I will wait until he need to make by his own. Okay, fail to save to database. That means I need to make just directory. I thought that database. Okay, I made database, and I'm expecting that he is going to he created those files here, as you can see, follow.json, liked photos, and as you can see, it is all in JSON format. He saved those photos, and in follow.json, as you will see, he will save exactly time and date when he followed that account, and when I turn on next time, he will check that time, and as you can see here, he won't follow that account, he won't follow this, because as you can see, users has too many followers compared to follows or opposite. Skipping, okay, he's skipping, and as you can see, Chrome is in a blue color, so that mean he's working by robot. Okay, I will cancel this because I already followed users of those accounts. I will just delete this, and this account I didn't follow users of. So you will see how following works. Node index, just run that in your terminal and separate your screen to see all the necessary informations. And as you can see, he's logging in again. Here is I don't know what happened to last one, cookies.json database / database. He's not making that. I don't know why, but it will. Here is cookies.json, and we are having our cookies, so he don't need to log in every time to search for information. It will automatically log in next time. Our browser will remember us, and he is searching for those accounts, as you can see, and finding usernames, and he will like him some photos as well, and as you can see, we will wait until he follows something, because I passed some I already turned on this bot, and he done something, liked photos.json. Okay, I will find I will try to use maybe okay, I will wait because, as you can see, database has four pictures that are liked, and we're going to wait to show you how this work. I hope you enjoyed video, and please press like button, and we're going to wait until you can see how he is going to follow someone, and to see how it is stored in database as well. If you want some video on the topic of React, GitHub, and other stuff, make sure to comment on this video. This is a second part. It won't be a third part, because I want to separate those two parts. And as you can see, he's navigating to the next because he has too many followers, and it is some relevant. He will find some relevant. Here is raw photography. He followed them, and as you can see in this file, it will be he's going to put this into the database. Okay, and as you can see, here is time in this format, and next time we turn on our bot, Instagram bot, he will check if 3 days passed. If they passed, he will unfollow them. Okay, and that's all. If you want to follow, you can follow me on my photograph Instagram account. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.